powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features side airbags, powered door locks, and tilt wheel. Safety features include fog lights, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include leather seats, parking sensors, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.